For developers exploring AI-powered coding assistants, Cline and Kilo Code represent two prominent open-source options. Both tools wrap large language models into agent-like workflows that plan and execute coding tasks within editors such as VS Code or JetBrains. This comparison examines their architectures, feature sets, and practical considerations for development work in 2026. Overview of both tools. Cline emerged as one of the earliest open-source AI coding agents to gain widespread adoption. The tool operates with a transparent, human-in-the-loop approval model where users review and authorize each action before execution. Cline maintains strong community backing and ongoing evolution through open-source contributions. A key architectural decision is model agnosticism. Users can plug in OpenAI, Anthropic, Claude Code, Gemini, or local models using their own API keys. This approach gives developers direct control over costs and avoids proprietary vendor lock-in. Kilo Code began as a fork of Cline through the Code project, evolving toward a more feature-rich and team-friendly orientation. The tool incorporates multiple built-in operational modes, including Orchestrator, Architect, Coder, and Debugger functions. Kilo supports parallel agent execution for handling multiple tasks simultaneously. A memory bank preserves context across sessions, maintaining project awareness over time. Like Cline, Kilo supports hundreds of AI models without vendor lock-in and offers transparent pay-as-you-go pricing with no hidden markup on token usage. Feature comparison. Cline emphasizes simplicity and transparency. The workflow follows a straightforward pattern. The agent plans tasks, presents them for approval, and executes upon confirmation. This approach gives developers fine-grained control over every action, but requires more manual oversight. The tool excels for users who want maximum visibility into agent decision-making and prefer to approve each step individually. Kilo Code builds upon Cline's foundation with additional capabilities. The built-in Orchestrator mode coordinates complex multi-step workflows. Architect mode focuses on system design and planning. Dedicated Coder and Debugger modes optimize for specific development phases. Parallel execution allows multiple agent instances to work simultaneously, potentially accelerating work on larger projects. The memory bank feature preserves conversation history and project context between sessions, reducing the need to re-explain requirements. Practical considerations for 2026. Neither tool achieves full coding automation in practice. Both remain dependent on high-quality underlying models and require significant developer oversight. Outputs vary between runs, necessitating thorough review and verification before any production use. The human-in-the-loop model remains essential for ensuring code quality and correctness. Token costs accumulate quickly with either agent when handling complex tasks, particularly when using larger, more capable models. Developers should monitor usage carefully to avoid unexpected API expenses. Neither tool offers perfect stability. Both may encounter edge cases, misinterpret requirements, or produce inconsistent results depending on the task complexity and model performance. Recommendations. Cline remains the appropriate choice for developers wanting a transparent, straightforward open-source tool with direct cost control. The model-agnostic approach and per-action approval workflow suit users who prefer maximum visibility into agent operations and want to avoid any intermediary between themselves and their chosen AI models. Kilo Code edges ahead for teams or individual developers who need built-in orchestration capabilities, persistent context across sessions, multi-mode workflows, and broader model support. The additional features serve larger projects where coordination between multiple agent functions and maintained context provide meaningful productivity gains. The choice ultimately depends on whether simplicity and transparency outweigh the need for advanced orchestration and persistent context in daily development workflows.